Why were you here slumped over the wheel?
I haven't been getting much sleep. I've been up with him periodically. I'm not on drugs. I don't do fentanyl.
You haven't smoked no weed today or nothing like that?
Yes, I did actually smoke a bongo this morning. Probably around 5.
5 a.m.?
Yeah. I don't take pain medication or anything. I don't like fentanyl. I don't like none of that.
Do you have anybody that, like, any friends, family you could call to help you? You're probably gonna need some out. So you have how many kids? 5 kids?
I have 5 boys.
Where are your other kids at?
They're with their dads right now.
Okay, are they all right?
Yeah, they're fine.
Okay.
So we're working through some things. They want to come live with me, but I got a house first. Yeah.
Okay. All right, just to make sure that you're okay to drive, right, I'm going to have you step out. I'm going to check your eyes and everything. If you're good to drive, then we'll get out of your hair and you can go to the hospital or whatever, okay? I have you stand back here. I have you take your glasses off for now, okay?
Does it stay in that stance?
Yep, put your hands down your sides, okay?
Okay.
You follow my finger? Just your eyes, okay? Hands down your sides. Try not to move your head, just your fingers.
Right.
Just your eyes. Focus on my finger. Just your eyes, not your head.
I don't think I can look up that far.
All right, we're going to do a few more tests, okay? Okay. When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward on the line. When you reach your 9th step, turn around by keeping your front foot on the line and take a series of small steps with your other foot. Then take 9 heel-to-toe steps back on the line. You're going to do 9 steps. All right, take a series of small steps. Take 9 steps back, just like this. Okay, I only did 3 steps, so you're going to do 9, okay? Remember to keep your eyes on your feet. Count your steps out loud. Keep your arms down to your sides. Do not stop walking until you complete the test. Do you understand? Yes. All right, go ahead.
I'm sorry. Do you want me to redo it?
Now you got to go back. 9 steps back.
Back to the side?
Yeah, start over here where you finished and go back.
Okay.
All right.
Can I put my sneakers on instead? It's hard to do the boots.
I know, but if you're able to drive and walk around with them, I think they're probably fine.
Can I give him his bottle?
What?
Can I give him his bottle?
His bottle?
Yeah, he's fine.
Finish this.
Yeah, just finish this one and then we'll address the baby. Okay, what do you need to give him?
Bottle.
Okay, where's his bottle at? We'll do one more test, okay?
The pressure of things makes me so nervous that...
I understand. It's not something you do every day, so I could understand being
No,
a
I
little
do it every day because whenever I go to the gas station or whatever, I like to walk the things.
Okay.
So I just hold it out, count to 1,000.
Just like this, yep.
Did you say 1,000?
1001, 1002, and so on.
So I'm not coordinated for this. Okay. 1,001, 1,002. Can't even do a push-up right now.
Okay.
Okay. 1,001. This is gonna be terrible. 1,001, 1,002, 1,002, 1,004, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005.
Okay. You can stop. Well, the way you're acting, I don't think you're okay to drive. You can't really stand up straight. You can't walk in a straight line without falling. You're kind of having a hard time following directions. You're slurring your words, all that stuff, okay? So, right now, I'm going to have you put your hands behind your back, okay?
Wait, wait. Okay, but why? Are you arresting me?
Yes.
Why?
Just cooperate.
I don't...
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait. Please let me... Oh my God, my baby. I need to call...
We're going to take care of it. Listen, we're going to handcuff you.
Right now, I don't think you're in a position
We'll
to deal with
handcuff
them,
you
okay?
in the front,
I have a lot of mental disorders. Can you please stop holding me?
Listen,
Stop.
Stop.
I need to go to the hospital.
Then we will get you there when we...
I promise.
Sorry, you want to
Please just let me go. I'm not going to go anywhere. Please just let me go. I have mental disorders. Please let me go. Please stop.
You need to stop.
I need to put cuffs on you, so I need to put my hands on you.
Don't.
Just stay right there.
Don't make this worse than it is. But right now,
No, wait.
right now we're in a good place.
No.
Okay? So stop. Stop.
Please stop. I don't. Look, I don't. Listen, please.
Sit on your bumper then. Okay.
Hold on.
Please don't do this.
Right now you're being detained.
Look.
Relax.
Okay.
Look, right now, I can't have you driving with the baby in the car like that.
Oh, somebody call me here.
Okay, that's what we're trying to do.
Do not get arrested. I have too much stuff to do. I don't have money to take my car out and impound. I don't.
Okay. Well, right now, I can't have you driving like this with the baby in the car. Okay? It's just not, it's unacceptable. We can't have that. Okay? For his safety and for your own, you can't be driving this car. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I make a phone call, please?
You can't get into your phone. Do you know who the number you want to call? Because if you don't know it off the top of your head,
hold on.
Put your feet up so you don't fall off your bumper.
Can we go to his house? I don't know what to do, but I cannot get arrested. I have too much stuff to do.
I'm gonna put you in the back of my car. Just listen to me. Listen to me before you freak out, okay? Just listen.
I have panic attack disorder. I cannot. I cannot.
You're just gonna chill in there for right now.
Why can't I chill right
I'm
here?
gonna get you your phone. I'm gonna get you your phone so that you can try to unlock it and make a phone call.
Can I please just go get my phone?
I will get it for you.
Please don't put me in the car. Please do not put me in the car. Can I
to.
please just sit right there?
I have to. Stop moving around. All right? I have to search you to put you in my car. Stop moving around. Stop moving around. I have to get all this jewelry off of you too. Okay?
Please.
You need to relax. You need to
I'm trying.
chill out.
Everything in my life is so f***ed up. Just let me redo it. I don't.
So, you can't.
Because I'm uncoordinated. It's not because I'm f***ed up. I don't drink. I do not do drugs. I've been clean. I have this history. I was at Chestnut 2 years ago. That's when I stopped.
Okay, I
And then I had
understand
the baby.
that. But I'm going based off what I'm seeing right now, okay? What I'm seeing right now is that you
I
cannot drive
have
with this
panic
baby.
attack disorder and
We're going to take all these jewelry off for him.
please,
Hold on.
Because right now
Me being
you're
arrested.
detained, okay?
Come on.
Can I please just stand here?
I need you to get.
No, let's go.
Let's go.
Break it, please.
Stop. You're gonna cause an incident here. Well, I'm gonna get your phone.
Can we drive to his house?
Where's your inhaler? Where's it at? Where's the inhaler at?
I don't know. It's in my purse. No, it's not in my purse. I don't know because I had to pack up all my stuff.
Okay, it's letting you put a passcode in. If you don't know it, don't just throw numbers out there because it's going to lock you out. And we need to do something with your child. We need to make sure we get him in someone's hands, okay?
I don't have anyone. I'm the only person that can help.
Okay, well, open that up and try to get his phone number. Your dad's coming, okay?
Can you please do custody or something? Please.
We're going to take you back to the station for that, okay? Some meth pipes up front. There's a meth pipe up front. Some prescription drugs. Where's your
I
keys at?
cannot do the small space stuff. I am claustrophobic.
I'll put the window down lower.
It
Doesn't
doesn't help. I'm in a very small space.
Yes. You don't need this anymore.
Yes, I
No, you
do.
don't. Put your foot back in there. Where's your
Are
keys
you
at?
kidding me?
Where's your keys at? You're calling 911 in the back of a cop car. Are you kidding me? Hold on. I'll make sure this ain't too tight.
Because you're not giving me a chance.
You're going to get booked and released. That's how this works. Okay, you'll get your citations and that's it. Okay? Where's your keys?
I don't know.
Where's your keys?
I don't. No,
So
I
you're
would
driving
have
the
to
car,
look.
but you don't know where your keys are.
It's a key fob.
All right.
You know what? Put your back on me.
142. You locked your phone out again.
No, I did not.
Yeah, it says you're locked out for 34 minutes.
Hey! Thought you went through his purse. Thought you left him.
Oh, this? No, I didn't
Yeah,
see
he's in
it.
a purse.
Me and you were leaving.
I can please talk to my baby first? We can't just
Is it
leave
her?
him here with nobody here.
No, the cop's staying with her. Or
I'm
him.
not comfortable with that.
Well, you shouldn't have been doing what you're doing.
Excuse me?
You shouldn't have been doing what you were doing then. I don't know what else to tell you.